So I have a Canon 80D, EOS 80D, and I just realized today that my mode dial, it fell off. And I took off some of the glue that's on this back side, but there's still a little bit left. So I have a pen here, and I'm gonna just use the pen tip without the pen pushed out, and just kind of take off the remnant glue from it. And then I'm just gonna use some super glue to see if I can glue it back onto the dial very carefully, because obviously this is a camera and I wouldn't want to get it all messed up. So I got to be very careful as far as getting the glue onto the three little tabs that are on there. So I'm just taking off this glue. It's like this, I don't know what type of glue it is, but I just need a little bit, you know, just to kind of get stuck on there. So I'm just going to take off the majority of this glue. I have a little bit of alcohol here, and I'm gonna clean this up as much as I can. Take off the excess glue on here. The alcohol is not really helping a ton, honestly, but I've gotten most of it off. And you know, the dial, you could probably find these on Amazon, but you know, I found mine on the bottom of my bag, so I don't know if it just got pushed around or what happened, but the dial is still great condition. And there's actually a little small notch. You can barely see it. Let me see here if I can. It's right there. You can barely see a little notch. Anyways, that little notch lines up with a section here on the camera. And I've turned on the camera and I put it on the location where it would be auto. So it would click on right there. So it looks like all the areas they get glue are these three little pads right here. So I'm just gonna put a little dip of glue on there and try to see if I can get that going on. So I'll go ahead and try that. All right, I'm just going to put a little bit of this glue. I'm going to use the tip of a Q-tip, and I'm just going to get a little bit of this glue. I'm just going to do a little dab, literally just like one little dab of each. I don't want to put that much because I'm scared I'm going to overdo it. So I'm just going to line this up with just turn it on real quick to make sure it's on A. Yep, it's on A. So push it all the way down. And I hope that the little mode dial sticks. Just push it all the way down here. Hold it down for a few seconds. And I just hope that it stays. It's kind of moving around a little bit. I'm gonna let it just sit. Kind of pushed it all the way in, I think, so should be lined up. Hopefully it stays on now. You can kind of see the little gap I was talking about right there. That's what it needs to be on. Alright, we'll see how it goes, and hopefully I can shoot with this and I won't have any more issues. Hopefully I put enough glue on there. Alright, well, we'll see you later.